Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to the supermarket. You'll learn easy shopping words and a useful grammar in just a few minutes.
I opened my fridge this morning and it was almost empty. Only butter, one yogurt, and old lettuce were inside. So I made a shopping list. I needed bread, milk, eggs, cheese, and some vegetables. I walked to the supermarket near my house. I took a shopping cart. First, I went to the vegetables aisle. I took tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes, onions, carrots, and garlic. Then I took apples, bananas, and oranges from the fruit shelf. I went to the dairy shelf and took milk, eggs, cheese, and yogurt. I also took cereal and jam for breakfast. I saw honey, but the price was high, so I didn't buy it. I told myself, no chips, no chocolate. I took chicken and beef, then rice and noodles, and oil, salt, and sugar. I took tea, juice, water, and one soda. Ice cream? Yes, I took ice cream too. I took napkins, cleaning spray, and trash bags. At the cash register, the cashier looked at my cart. She said, "Big shopping today?" I said, "Yeah." My fridge was sad. She laughed and gave me the receipt. I paid with my credit card. I went home happy. My fridge is full now.